Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon in bright white. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, rock protection sill rails, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, command track part-time four-wheel drive system, Sky One Touch power top, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7085.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.